excess carbon dioxide gas is bubbled in lime water, the white milk precipitate, dissolves, forming a colorless solution, forming a colorless solution, due to the formation of calcium hydrogen carbonate, which is soluble and is colorless in nature. Due to the formation of calcium hydrogen carbonate, which is soluble and is colorless in nature, In other words, it is a colorless solution. Let's have a look at the equation for this reaction. 1 mole of calcium hydroxide, 1 mole of lime water in aqueous state, when reacted with excess carbon dioxide in the presence of water, in the presence of water, calcium hydrogen carbonate, and calcium hydrogen carbonate is colorless, and it is soluble, in nature. It is colorless and is soluble in nature. Let's look at the reaction of carbon dioxide with sodium hydroxide solution. Reaction of carbon dioxide with sodium hydroxide solution. Carbon dioxide reacts with sodium hydroxide solution in a similar way with lime water. Take for example, when little carbon dioxide reacts with sodium hydroxide, then we shall get sodium carbonate, which is a white milky precipitate. When little carbon dioxide is bubbled through sodium hydroxide, a white precipitate of sodium carbonate is produced. Let's have a look at the equation for this reaction. Yeah, when sodium hydroxide reacts with little carbon dioxide gas, then we shall end up getting sodium carbonate, which is a white precipitate. Shall end up getting sodium carbonate, which is a white precipitate. In addition, water is also produced. What about when excess carbon dioxide is bubbled through sodium hydroxide? When excess carbon dioxide is bubbled through sodium hydroxide, the white milk precipitate dissolves into a Curry solution, and this is due to the formation of sodium hydrogen carbonate, which is soluble and is colorless in nature. Let's have a look at this reaction. Yeah, when sodium carbonate reacts with sodium carbonate in the presence of water, when it reacts with excess carbon dioxide gas, then we shall end up getting sodium hydrogen carbonate. And sodium hydrogen carbonate is colorless. It is a colorless solution, and it is soluble in nature. So conclusively, we can say the reaction between carbon dioxide and sodium hydroxide solution or potassium hydroxide solution is similar to the reaction between carbon dioxide gas and lime water, which previously we discussed. Okay, let's look at the uses of carbon dioxide gas. Uses of carbon dioxide gas. What are the uses of carbon dioxide gas? Carbon dioxide gas, it has got several uses in our day-to-day lives. In our day-to-day lives, we see carbon dioxide being helpful, being useful in so many ways. So this is important today for us to discover life applications of carbon dioxide gas, the usefulness of carbon dioxide gas in our day-to-day lives, in our day-to-day activities. Yeah, carbon dioxide gas is used in fire extinguishers. That's one. It is used in fire extinguishers. It is used in fire extinguishers. Yes, sometimes, guys, you have seen buildings catching fire. You have seen some places catching fire. Yes, under such circumstances, yeah, you've seen people, fire brigade coming with gadgets. These gadgets, yes, called the fire extinguishers, they contain carbon dioxide gas in them. And then when it is, released on fire, because it does not support combustion, then immediately fire is blown off. Yeah, here I would say it is used in fire extinguishers because it does not support combustion. In other words, it does not support burning. It is used, secondly, let's look at the second use. It is used to increase flavor in bottled drinks. For example, in beers and in sodas. Guys, the sodas we take are soft drinks. The beers most people take. Okay, when you are tasting the beers, those of guys who are taking beers, when you are tasting the sodas, okay, there is a flavor that is present that comes out as when you are enjoying your soda. So that flavor, is a product of carbon dioxide. It is used to increase flavor. We can say used to increase flavor in bottled drinks. E.g. sodas and beers. Thirdly, it is used in refrigerators as a coolant. Guys, in our homes, we have refrigerators, and refrigerators, they help us in cooling foods, in cooling drinks. Keeping a drinks cool, keeping food cool. And it is carbon dioxide gas that helps in the mechanism of the refrigerator or of refrigerators as coolants. So it is used in refrigerators as coolants. It is used in refrigerators. It is used in refrigerators as a coolant. It is used in refrigerators as a coolant. Then carbon dioxide is also useful in making rain. Yeah, carbon dioxide is also useful in making rain. Here, what happens is carbon dioxide gas, when it reaches in the atmosphere, usually it solidifies. And the solid carbon dioxide helps in cooling the clouds. And so when clouds are cooled, then the rain begins falling. Yeah, so we would say carbon dioxide is used in making rain. Yes, I would say here solid gas is used in cooling of clouds. Here, the solid gas is used in cooling the clouds, is used in cooling the clouds. Then lastly, guys, carbon dioxide gas is used in baking. Carbon dioxide gas, it is used in baking. Yeah. Carbon dioxide here is used in baking because it is composed. Here during baking, we shall discover baking powder is composed of two major components. It is composed of sodium hydrogen carbonate, and it is composed of tartaric acid.